Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to install your license plate. So dito nakakabit pa ang ating conduction plate. So papakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-install ang license plate natin using a special method para maiwasan na madali mawala or matanggal or manakaw ang ating mga license plate. So ito ang mga kailangan natin. So ito ang ating bagong license plate. So ito ang bagong issue na license plate galing LTO. So dalawang piraso yan. So front and rear. So gagamit din tayo ng backing plate. Ito pinagawa ko, gawa siya sa galvanized aluminum. So napakatibay niya, maganda siyang gawing backing plate. At ito naman, dito natin papakita sa inyo na install ang ating license plate using special kind of screws para ma-make sure natin na secured ating license plate. Of course, we need open wrenches, 10mm. We also need Allen key or hex key. And of course, we can use open wrench, socket wrench, so 10mm then. Okay guys, so before natin i-install, syempre tanggalin muna natin ang nakakabit na conduction plate. So usually madali lang to itanggalin using 10mm open wrench or 10mm socket wrench. Yung ibang dealership, ang ginagawa nila dito, hindi naka-screw yung mga conduction plate. Minsan nakadikit lang siya ng double-sided, so may chances na lagi siya natatanggal, madali masira, madali mapunit. Ang kagandahan ng mga bumper mga sakyan ngayon ay sukat na sukat ang mounting holes ng license plate according dun sa standard ng LTO license plate. So we have two materials that we can use. This is a 10mm bolt. So this is the most common material na ginagamit natin sa pag-install ng license plate. Just make sure lang na gagamit din tayo ng washer so we can prevent yung license plate natin na mayupi pag hinihigpitan na natin yung license plate. And this is the one that we'll be using. So this is a hex key type bolt. So it comes with a washer na makikita natin na nasa loob siya ng washer. So by using this material, it would somehow minimize the chance of getting our license plate stolen. Okay guys, this is very optional. I will be using a backing plate. This material was made out of galvanized aluminum. So sobrang lightweight and sobrang tibay. So this backing plate will help our license plate to prevent getting damages. Kasi alam naman natin ang ating license plate very flimsy and very thin. So madali siyang madamage. Okay, so gagamitan natin ngayon siya ng hex screw na may kasamang washer. So by using this kind of material, kahit papaano mami-minimize natin yung risk na matanggal or manakaw ang ating mga license plate. Okay, so we're done installing the front plate. So now let's go to the rear bumper and install our license plate. Actually, it's the same procedure, so just follow exactly the steps on how we install the front license plates. And we're done. So we have successfully installed our license plates. Again guys, thank you for watching this video. So if you have any suggestion or any comments or recommendations about any upcoming videos, please comment down below kung anong suggest nyo na pwede natin i-DIY, try natin gawin. And again, see you on our next video. Peace out.